What's up, Envy Beauties? I'm back. So today I will be cleaning my car.
Okay, let's get it now. I'm for the bad bitch. Sorry. I don't say so. I say hey to the band. Hey to the band. Hey to the band.
So today I will be cleaning my Nissan Lamborghini Alsa. Her name is Nisiana because it's dirty right now. And I ain't cleaned my car for a minute, and I be just throwing stuff. Anytime I just got stuff, I just throw it on the floor because I don't have no trash can in here or nothing. Yeah, so it's due for cleaning. I guess I can show you what I got. So let me show you what I got to clean my car with. So you know I only do top tier cleaner products. So I got this for my seats and stuff. So you know I got leather seats. I brought some paper towel from my house because I need to clean my window because there was a bug on my window and I had to smash it. So that I really needed to clean my car because of that. So that's what actually made me do this video. I think in my seat, my trunk, I actually got like some wipes for the windows because they said you can't use Windex for your car windows. They said it's a different type of glass. I don't know, but that's what they said. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know, thumbs up this video, please. Do it for the queen. But yeah. But if you didn't know, I am a lash tag. I make custom lashes for my girlies. You can follow my business page right here, and then my website right here. Yeah, so I make custom lashes. I sell all beauty essentials that you would definitely need. My name is Z. Nice to meet you. And yeah. Oh yeah, let me not forget. Let me introduce my car. So I do got a car named Nisiana. Her name is Nisiana. And
you can interrupt the voice prompt the command immediately by pushing the talk switch. Navigation.
Hello.
Canceling voice recognition.
She know her name. Let me just give you the rundown on what happened with this car. So I was supposed to get a Tesla or Kia K5. So I went to go get the Kia K5. I went to go check that out. But when I went to go check it out, I was like, I didn't really like the inside. The 2024 Kia K5, which I didn't like the inside of it because it looked outdated, and I didn't really want no outdated. If I was gonna get something, I want like a big screen and whatever. And mind you, I already had this car in my mind because it was like, this car was like kind of in the middle because it was like, I liked it, but it wasn't like I loved it or I didn't hate it. So it was like in the middle. But I really loved the Kia and I really loved the Tesla. And I started doing research on the Tesla, gonna actually go for the Teslas, and I was in the process of, you know, signing up and getting a Tesla. But it was a situation where I guess all the charging stations was breaking down and stuff like that. And people were just telling me like, oh, you probably shouldn't get it right now or whatever because, you know, just in case. To be honest, I kind of didn't want to get it either because they were talking about take like an hour to charge your car. And I'm thinking like, I sit in the car a lot, but it don't be like, it don't be like a planned thing. It be just like I go somewhere and I don't know what I want to eat, and I just end up sitting in the car for an hour for somehow. So I didn't want to be forced to sit in the car. So I was like, you know what? I'm just get the Nissan. And I was like, Nissan kind of cheap as fuck. And even though I was about to get the Nissan, I was about to get the base model one. But I don't know, for some reason, I decided like, fuck that. I want some leather seats, a big ass screen, 360 view camera, and a motherfucking Wi-Fi. And now I'm stuck paying this motherfucking car off. That's what happened. But she will be getting traded in immediately. She will be out the door. But I like her. I'm about to clean my car. Don't say nothing. This is a hard working bitch car. And this is how it looks when you work hard. See, look, so I'm gonna clean seats and stuff. I'm gonna get that and stuff, pick all that up, throw that in the trash and stuff and everything, and what's had all that. Clean my dashboard, clean my motherfucking screen, get this stuff up.
Say, keep, fuck these niggas up. DJ Mix, good niggas.
You gotta wanna fucking feel this shit, boy.
If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid butt. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla see that be pull up. Cars in it fine and they fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks. Being free, but we run dirty. Run with your boo, yeah, that's my dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30. Niggas tryna shoot back shots, Stephen Curry. Like a bitch, niggas show no mercy. Do the pussy bitch dirty. She like Stacy, why you hurt me? Took him down, up the yucky. When you give me, put that dick all on my backside. I'm a hood bitch,